Okay, today we will talk about helping verb. This is the most important part of the part of speech and so important in understanding the grammar. So if you understand the helping verb, it will really help you in understanding the grammar and especially in tenses. So in tenses, the it decides the tense. So it's so important in understanding. So these are just 17 words. If you understand these 17 words, your grammar will become remarkable. Okay, let's start. The first speech we have here is a be. This is so important to understand what is be. Be is the first form, was is the second form, and been is the third form. So just keep in mind this word be, was, been is always used for continuous tense. So be has three other forms as well. Is, am, are. Is, am, are is the same. Start with the be. It's the is. The first helping verb we have here the is. This helping verb is used in some actions where actions continues at the present time by a single noun or pronoun. This is so important. Mostly we make mistakes over here with noun and pronoun. So if a noun is single and a pronoun like he and she we use is. Okay, like he is playing and she is playing. Next we have the am. It is also part of the be. It is used when some action continues by a single first person pronoun. It is used with only I. Am is specific for I. For example, I am playing. We move to the next one. This is So it's used in action continues in the present by more than one noun or pronoun. For a single noun or pronoun we use is, and for the plural one we use are. Like you, we, they. Okay, this you we use for singular as a plural one. So we use are with both singular you and the plural ones. Okay. For example, we have examples. They are playing, we are playing, and you are playing. All is used the plural ones and the you as well. Okay, so be is the first form and it has different kinds is and are. Okay, the second form is was. Okay, so here is a be, a second form of be. So first we use was. Was is used in the past continuous where some action continued in the past by a single noun. And pronoun we use with the was, he, she and I. Like he was playing, she was playing, I was playing, and she was playing, and he was playing. Okay. Were is a plural form of was. We use were where action done in past by more than one noun or pronoun. Pronoun we use with the were are they, we, and you. Like they were playing, we were playing, and you were playing. Okay, just look here. All these red ones are used the continuous tenses, whether it's a past, present, or future, and we will study it further. Okay, next we have a will. Will is specific for the future tenses. For future tenses, it is used with any number of noun and pronoun. This is a good thing about will. You don't need to bother about the singularity or the plurality of the noun and pronoun. Okay, it is used with all noun. Like he will play, we will play. It doesn't matter if it's a singular or plural. Next we have the has. We use has when action starts in the past and impacts the present. And has is used with a single noun or pronoun. It is used in the perfect tenses. Has, have, had are used in the perfect tenses. Okay. So has is used a single noun or pronoun like he, she. Okay. In the present tenses. He has played, she has played. Okay. Has a plural form as well as a have. Okay. Has we use with a singular and have we use with the plural. Okay. Action starts in the past, impacts in the present, and pronoun we use with have are I, we, they, and you. Like I had done my work before teacher arrived. We have played, they have played. So have is used with the plural one. With I, we used have as well. I have played. You can say I has played. I got have as well. Next we have had. Had is the past of the perfect. Like action in the past before another action, used with every singular or plural noun or pronoun. It's just like will, we can use any number of noun or pronoun, either as a single or plural. Like she played, we played, she is a single and we is plural, so it's okay with the had. Next we have will have. One thing keep in mind, will always get have, it will never get has, okay, even if it's singular or plural. That's the beauty of the will. Some action may have started in the present or future and will finish in the future. Okay. Used with any number of noun or pronoun. Like he will have played, we will have played. Next we have has been. Okay, just look over here. It's been. I just have mentioned earlier. Be, was, been. These all fixed for the continuous. So we have here been. Been for continuous. And has, haven't, had are used in perfect. Okay, has been is used when some action started in the past and continues in the present. So use the singular noun or pronoun like he, she. He has been playing, she has been playing. Okay. Next we have the have is the plural form of the has. So perfect continuous we use when some action starts in the past and continues in the present. Used with the plural noun and pronoun like they and you, and with I as well. Okay, have been is used with I and singular you as well. They have been playing, you will have been playing, I have been playing. Okay. Next we have will have been. Okay. So as I have told you, will got have always. Okay. So here it doesn't matter as a single plural. We will use will have been with any number of noun or pronoun. So we use will have been where some action may have started in the past, present, or the future, and will continue in the future. Use with any number of noun or pronoun. She will have been playing, we will have been playing. It's recommended that you better watch my other video, tenses meaning. That will really help you in understanding the tenses. So next we have had been. Okay, had been. It doesn't matter using had been with any number of noun or pronoun. So had been used where some action finished in the past before another action starts. Had been just like will. It doesn't matter how many number of nouns or pronouns are there. So you can use had been all. Okay. So it is used in past perfect continuous tense. Okay. So it is used when some action started in the past and continue in the past. It used any number of noun and pronoun like she had been playing, we had been playing, blah blah blah. Okay, next we have do and does. These are quite different. Okay. So if you have watched my another video, tense meaning, where I have mentioned that do and does are not used for specifying the starting, continuity, or ending time. Do and does are used for negative and interrogative in present indefinite tense. Okay. So these are used as interrogative and the negative in present indefinite tense. They do not play cricket. Do is used with plural, like they do not play cricket, and does is used with a singular noun or third person singular pronoun like he, she. She doesn't play cricket. Similarly, we have did. So did is used in the past indefinite tense as an interrogative and negative, and it is used with any number of noun or pronoun like he didn't play cricket. So this is all about helping verb.